Hello everyone, today I'm here to share with you top new AI tools that are changing the game in the digital marketing sector. If you're a social media manager, a digital marketer, these tools are changing the game in the digital marketing sector. You need to try this out. Without much ado, let's dive in. The number one tool I recommend you to use as a social media manager or as a marketer is what we call Ocoya AI. Ocoya AI is a very great tool that is good for social media post creation, scheduling, and AI powered caption suggestions. It's also good or supports video clips and trending hashtags suggestions. It's a very nice tool if you're a social media marketer or a manager. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Fluff AI is good for SEO blog writing. It writes full SEO optimized blog posts with keyword integration. It's great for organic traffic and blog strategies. Let's open it. You can get a demo here. If you don't understand, you want to get a demonstration on how it works, you can click on the link at the top here to get a demo. And also, Fluff AI doesn't just generate article, it generates traffic as well. So after you write your article, it can help you get more clicks and more buyers to get engaged into your content. Your article will be ready in less than 20 minutes, and it will be 10 times cheaper than using a dedicated writer. That's a top quality content designed to rank. You can explore it here. First, you pick your keywords. As a first step, enter your main keyword into your Fluff AI to start creating an article for you. Then second, you adjust the article settings, pick your template, select tone of voice for your brand, and choose your most relevant organic competitors for the keyword to enter. And then thirdly, you review your article outline, review the proposed article outline, edit writing points you want Fluff AI to cover, and add your customized knowledge to quickly boost the EEAT score of your article. Then fourthly or lastly, it generates an article. Click Write with AI and let Fluff AI scan, fact checked, and analyze over 300,000 words with weight of information to generate or to create your piece for you. So it's simple, as easy as you just heard. You can use it if you are into content writing or maybe writing articles or blogs and you want to get more engagement. Fluff AI is the great tool for you to use. Give it a try and let me know your intake on this. Copy AI is a very great tool for writing blog posts, emails, and product description. Also includes workflow for email sequence and automation. It's great for e-coms, SaaS, and content marketers. So you want to get a demo on how it works, you can enter your email here and then get a demonstration of how this platform or this tool works. It's a very great tool. You can design your GTMA AI playbook. You can see it has a lot of features you can use here. For content creation, inbound lead processing, you have account-based marketing, you have translation and localization, also deals with coaching and forecasting, and a whole lot you can do with this tool. It's a very great tool if you're into writing blog posts and emails or maybe content marketing. This great tool is also for you. You can sign up for an account and give it a try. This is what we call Jasper AI. Jasper AI writes or is good for writing long form content, emails, and ad copy. Recent updates added brand voice, campaign mode, and is branding agencies, freelancers, and content creators. It's great for content creators and freelancers and even branding agencies. So you can give it a try. Open Jasper AI, sign up for an account and start using it. You can get a demo here as well. It's a very great tool for creating content and marketing your product. You can see here, this is a marketing editor you can also use inside this tool. You also have a brand voice where you can help you what maybe modernize your voice to get more engagement on your content. We also have what we call style guide to guide you on the style or grammar or punctuation you want to use in your content. Jasper AI can also help you what write good content by just chatting it. It also has what we call AI image suite. It can generate a good image for your maybe your thumbnail or your flyer, anything you want to use the image for. It can help you generate a great image for you to use and get more engagement on your content. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section. For AdCreative.ai, it's a very great tool that can help you generate high converting ad creatives, suggest text, layout, and even variations for ABA testing. It's great for Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram campaigns. You can give it a try, sign up for an account and give it a try. It's a very nice tool for marketing or creating ads that can boost your click-through rate and get more customers to buy your product or even view your content. You can give it a try here. So try for free now. You can try by signing up for an account either with your Google account or maybe any other account you want to use. Or if you have an account with them, you can log in by clicking on the login button here, enter your credentials here and be able to use this account. Give it a try and give me a feedback. Now the next tool is what we call Flick AI. Flick AI is also a great tool for content generation. That's if you want to generate content for Instagram and TikTok captions. It also suggests hashtags, schedule post and analyze engagement. It's great for social media managers. So if you're a social media manager, this tool is meant for you. It can help you a lot to get more clicks and get more engagement on your content or your product. So go ahead, search for Flick AI, sign up for an account and give it a try. You can start for free. So it's a very nice tool. You can learn more about them before you even sign up. A very nice tool that can help you get more engagement on your post. Here you can schedule a post. You can even analyze or run analytics and reporting. It also has resources whether you are just getting started or you are managing multiple clients. You have to get trained, template and tips to help you level up. Flip AI is a very nice tool that you can give it a try. If you are a social media or content manager, give it a try and let me know your thought in the comment section. Now the last tool is what we call Predis AI. Predis AI is a very great tool for full social media post generation. That's caption plus image. It works like Canva and ChatGPT combined. So this is a very great tool that works like the combination of two AI tools, that's Canva and ChatGPT. It's a very powerful tool that I love the most. It's also good for small business and sole entrepreneurs. So you can give it a try. Open or search Predis AI on your browser. You open it, it generates ads for you and get more engagement, more views and more clicks. Sign up for an account and give it a try. You will love it, I'm telling you. This is a very good, nice tool that I use. I'm telling you, it's a very nice tool. You will love it. Give it a try. You can see how it works here. You can see all the features that it has. You can test ABA. You can see text to art. So you can write text and let AI convert it to art for you and get more clicks and more engagement on your content. So this is it. This is the interface or the home page of Predis AI. I hope you love this tool. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to those who are in need of the video. Thank you for watching. Love you.